सेंटर में देखा।
दीपिका जी राइट,
दीपिका जी राइट साइड, दीपिका जी राइट साइड, दीपिका जी राइट साइड,
सामने एकदम
दीपिका जी राइट साइड,
दीपिका जी
मैडम जी, दीपिका जी।
दीपिका जी दीपिका would you please first of all your back statue.
Thank you.
How was the experience? We start with this only.
It was a very surreal experience. I think when you see yourself on screen and when you see yourself in photographs, it's a very different experience from when you actually have almost an out-of-body experience. So imagine walking into a room and seeing yourself outside of your own body for the first time. So of course it's an extremely overwhelming experience and very, very emotional, but it's also a bit weird.
दीपिका जी आपको आपकी फिल्म के साथ में इनफैक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा आप लोगों को और रणवीर भी यहाँ पर है, फिल्म को सम्मान किया जा रहा है लगभग हर एक अवार्ड शोज में और आज भी यहाँ पे व्हाट दिस गिव्स यू दिस अ वैलिडेशन एंड रियलाइजेशन फॉर योर पोजीशन एज एन एक्ट्रेस.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I don't think awards are everything. I mean, it's strange that I say that at an award function, but it definitely is very, very encouraging. So of course I think box office is extremely important, but awards are also important. But I think above all of that, I think the love of the audience is the most important thing. And I think over a period of time, I think to be able to leave behind memorable characters, and I think I've been very fortunate to have been part of some amazing films, and leave behind some, very, very memorable characters.
दीपिका जी आप बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल रही है, मामी के भी पार्ट हैं आप, यू हैव नेवर स्पोकन इन दिस टिल नाउ, बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ मामी जो पहले कई रिप्यूटेड लोगों ने ले रखा था, नाउ यू विल बी अ मेजर पार्ट इन दिस, उसके बारे में.
I think the reason I agreed is because I think it's important for us to, I think it's important for the youth really to be a part of such organizations or a part of movements or a part of things that will actually bring about change, because the future is in our hands. And I think in a way we're responsible for shaping the way the film industry moves forward from here on. So I think that was a very, very calculated move on my part as well as the board. It is something that we spoke about, and I read an article recently which said that I was appointed the chairperson because of my status or because of my position. Yes, that's precisely why we did that. And like I said, if one of the most prestigious film, I'd say, academies of our country can benefit from my position at the board, then so be it. Because I think Indian cinema is at the brink of beautiful global recognition. If it hasn't happened already, I think there's a lot more to happen, and hopefully, we'll just take it to an all new, an all new level.
Deepika ji, you can make a difference. The country goes for the poll. Would you like to say something to the youth? युवाओं को, लोगों को कुछ कहोगे आप कि they can vote? It has come from the Mr. Prime Minister also. Would like to say?
Yes, I think it's very important for everyone to vote. I think who you vote for is a very personal choice. I think everyone has, various experiences through the government. Some people are positively impacted, some people are not. At the end of the day, I think your country comes first, and your responsibility as a citizen is the most important thing. So yes, I mean, I would encourage everyone to go out there and vote.
The best color red you are wearing, would you like to wish people on the occasion of Holi? Holi.
Oh, Holi. I thought you'll ask me for Valentine's Day.
क्या ना बहुत समय कम है, सब लोग प्रेशर में हैं कि मतलब कम से
आप प्रेशर मत लीजिए, आप सवाल पूछिए ना. Yes, I think Holi actually. It's so ironic that on the day of Holi, I leave for Chapak. We start shooting on Monday. It's a very, very important film. The story needs to be told. We start filming on Monday, and on Holi day is when I leave for Delhi. So no celebration, just a lot of preparation. Happy Holi, everyone, and a safe Holi. Thank you. Thank you.
दीपिका जी क्या दीपिका मैम दीपिका जी दीपिका मैम दीपिका जी
Thank you.